Hello, everybody. Here's a tip for you. I started a painting, and I didn't realize that I didn't have a layer put in. I don't like to paint on the canvas. I like to paint on the layers. You can paint on the canvas if you want to, but it's just the way I like it. So now what do? You can start the painting over again, or you could do this. You go up to Select and click All, and you see it puts the little ants around the thing. And then you could do an edit, and you could copy and paste, or you can do it on your keyboard. It's Control C and then Control V. Now you notice that it automatically when you did the Control V, it automatically put the layer in. And it selected the layer. We're going to turn that off. And then we're going to click on here. You don't have to turn that off, but I'm turning it off so you can see what's going to happen. And it also removed the selection. So you go back up and select all, which is Control A. I don't know hardly any shortcuts. It's too much for me to remember. But I know the C and the V. I use those a lot. Okay, so we've got a selection, and then you just click the backspace on your keyboard, and that deletes what you've selected, which was everything. So now you can see over here that the canvas is a white layer now. There's nothing on the canvas. And there is what we had painted on the canvas moved to layer 1. And we can name that now Sky. And we're ready to go. Okay, thank you for watching.